how to fix page with redirect errors in Google Search Console. Although I've created some tutorials, some RankYa followers are still not being able to fix the page indexing errors. So what I've decided to do is try and simplify the entire process of the indexation problems. First, let's take a look at what page with redirect means. Okay, so what happens is that Google requests a URL, which is typically a web page, from your web server. But when it tries to do that, what server says back to Google, saying, you know what, Google, the URL you're requesting from my server is not there anymore. It's somewhere else. That means Google is being redirected. Simple. That's what redirect issues are all about regarding page indexing issues with page with redirect. Basically, Google has found a URL, which is typically a web page, but your server said to Google, you know what, Google, that URL you're looking for is somewhere else. As in, here's the redirected URL. So now Google is getting confused as to say, okay, well, if that's the case, which one do I index? So that's what page with redirect issues basically mean. In the upcoming video tutorials, I'll keep it brief and short and show you how to use the troubleshooting tools available in Google Search Console. I thank you for learning with RankYa, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.